How to get karma on Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get karma on Reddit. Now, getting karma on Reddit is all about contributing valuable content and interacting with the community, and it gives you an edge. Alright, so in order to get karma, there are different tips to follow. The first thing you should do is to post quality content. So share interesting and relevant posts in the right communities or in the right subreddit. And how do you post quality content? Once you are logged in on your Reddit account, move to the bottom part of the screen and click on the create icon, and you'll be taken to the page where you can post videos, you can post pictures, you can include polls, you can even post just text. But whatever you are posting, ensure that they are interesting and relevant things. And another way of getting karma is by engaging with comments. Okay, join discussions, provide thoughtful replies, and upvote others. So this would also enable you to get karma, and then be consistent with your posts and with your interaction to build your presence, and then adhere to guidelines to avoid getting downvoted or banned. This is very essential. And also share original content. Okay, don't share fake content because you're trying to look for something quality or because you're trying to be consistent. Ensure you share unique and engaging content that attracts more upvotes. So for example, now on my page you can see a discussion ongoing, general chat. So you can just click on this. I can click on this and then engage, and then by engaging I increase my chance of getting karmas on Reddit. So that is it. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thank you for watching.